I am thinking to learn German language so that I can talk to German people easily. But most of the people knows English over there. So I can survive with English too. But I heard learning a new language makes you smart.
Wow! Beautiful!
Will it be easy to learn German? Everything in the world is hard until you get to know about it. What a line! I'm too genius. Okay, fine. It is a genuine question. Is it really beneficial to learn German? And the answer is yes.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
There are many benefits of learning German language, and we are here to discuss few of them.
Okay.
Number 1. International job opportunities. Learning German language can open up a world of international job opportunities. Germany offers positions in engineering, IT, and finance. Multinational corporations often seek employees, making German a valuable skill for career advancement. Number 2. Study abroad. Studying in abroad can change your life and make it even better by learning German. Germany is famous for its amazing universities. When you learn German, you get to be a part of this and experience a whole new culture. By speaking German, you can study and have a fun adventure by studying abroad. Number 3. Communication skill. Learning the German language enhances communication skill in several ways. By making individuals more adaptable and open to different cultures. It also improves listening and comprehension skills as German has complex grammar.
Nice.
Number 4. Easy to learn. Learning the German language can be an incredibly rewarding experience, and it's often easier to grasp than one might think. From enhancing your career prospects to immersing yourself in a rich culture and even making new friends, learning German opens up a world of opportunities.
Acha.
Number 5. Affordable education. Studying in Germany often means minimal to no tuition fees in many public universities, making higher education remarkably cost-effective. German language is not about communication, it's a gateway to affordable educational excellence.
Next.
Number 6. Career scope in India. The career scope of German language in India has been steadily increasing in recent years. With India's growing economic ties with German countries like Germany, Australia, and Switzerland, there is a rising demand for professionals who can communicate effectively in German. This demand extends across various sectors including manufacturing, IT, engineering, tourism, and international trade. Many Indian companies collaborate with German counterparts, making proficiency in German a valuable asset. As India continues to engage in global partnerships, learning German can open doors to a wide range of existing career prospects.
Don't give me hope.
Number 7. German is a language of high-end business. What does it mean? Learning the German language offers numerous high-end business benefits. Germany boasts an economy making it a prime market for international trade and investment. German enhances access to a wealth of business opportunities, fosters strong client relationships, and facilitates effective communication in industries such as engineering, technology, and finance. Number 8. Travel. Learning the German language offers numerous travel benefits. Germany is a vibrant country known for its rich history, culture, and stunning landscapes. By speaking German, travelers can immerse themselves in local experiences, communicate effectively, and engage with locals, making their journey more memorable. Number 9. Personal growth. Learning the German language offers numerous personal growth benefits. It enhances cognitive skills such as memory and problem solving, and fosters cultural understanding. Mastery of a new language boosts confidence and open doors to new opportunities, both personally and professionally. Number 10, cross-cultural understanding. Learning the German language offers valuable cross-cultural benefits. It enables communication with over 90 million native speakers and provides insights to Germany's rich history, culture, and society. This helps to open doors to job opportunities and facilitates deeper connections with German-speaking communities worldwide. Number 11. I have only 10 fingers. So no more benefits I'm discussing today. And if you like this one, comment down below. Let me know if you want more benefits. We will discuss more 10, not these. We'll not repeat these benefits. Okay, we'll discuss different 10 benefits in a different video. If you want those, please comment down below and let me know. I will make it for you. Till then, like the video, subscribe the channel, and yes, take care. Bye.